Don't talk to me. Give me some coffee and call Vinny. Call him. We need some coffee. Pronto. That's my little New York accent. I should be like a voice actor or something. In motion. We're gonna set it in motion. What we're gonna set it in? Motion.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara More. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. And I am looking very like fabulous. What's the word I'm looking for? Like extraordinary, like one of a kind, you know what I mean? Let's fix the crown because it's a little bit tilted. Let's just fix it a little bit. There we go. Yes. This look is like very like cute or whatever. I'm rocking the faux lock. Y'all see the baby hairs? I see the baby hair. Baby's ain't playing today. Look at the baby hairs. They ain't playing today. They on swim. They on waves. They in the ocean. Before we get into this video, don't forget to click on that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Alright? I'll see you. Subscribe. Alright. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started on this look. So before we get started with anything, let's do a nice primer. So we're gonna go with the e.l.f. Minimal Infused Face Primer here. So this can sit on our face while we're doing our brows. So for the brows, I'm gonna go with the Technique Brow Gel. And this is in dark brown. I'm kind of growing out my brows anyway. Like I want them, like especially at the front. I've been using like a lot of aloe vera. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go in with some concealer and conceal these brows, okay? So I'll be going in with the e.l.f. concealer here in Deep Cinnamon. So have you guys watched Malcolm and Marie? Have y'all watched it? At first, I was just like, I was excited to watch it because I like John David Washington. At first I was just like, why are these people arguing? Like, if they have to argue this much, why are y'all even together? He was asking her, oh, what's wrong, da da da, and then she goes, nothing, I'm fine, and she walks off. Cool. She makes them the mac and cheese, whatever. Cool. All she wanted throughout the whole thing was some appreciation. That's it. Just some R-E-S-P-C-T on her name because he didn't thank her in the speech, and he goes, oh, I forgot, you know, it slipped my mind, da, da, da. Really? But wasn't your film about her? Wasn't she the motivation for the film? And the way this man was cussing her while he was eating the food that she prepared for him, I said, I wouldn't be in a relationship like that where it's toxic. Why would she want to be with someone like Malcolm, and why would Malcolm want to be with someone like her? Both of them need to work on themselves. Both of them need to work on themselves. I'm talking about them like they're real people. The whole movie wasn't just about, oh, you didn't thank me in your speech. Nah, it's deeper than that. But for it to go on for so long, I would have been left. Not me. I feel that it would have been like, you know that other film that Kerry Washington was in? American Son. It seemed like a film like that, like something that was a play and then they made a film. That's what it seemed like to me. It's a good film, but I wouldn't watch it again. I feel like they have to put films out on like Netflix or like Disney Plus or something because cinemas aren't open. Do y'all see the difference? Look at that. Like towards the end, I wish that the film ended on a note like, okay, yeah, they're just gonna break up. But like Zendaya's character towards the end, she basically said like, you're toxic, you need help, but I'm not gonna leave you. The people around you are gonna leave, so you need to fix up. What kind of foolishness is going on? Working 9 to 5. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of obsessed with e.l.f. concealers just because like it's so thick and you don't need that much, and they're very inexpensive. This video is not sponsored by e.l.f. even though they should. Come on, e.l.f. Where you at, e.l.f.? Help a girl out, e.l.f. First thing I'm gonna actually go in with is I'm gonna be going in with the Revolution eyeshadow palette in Velvet Rose. I'm going to be going with that nice brown shade down there, and we're going to put that on the outer parts of our crease. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're going to go in with that one down here, regular. I could just go over it with a nice shadow, but we're gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna go with the same concealer that we used on the lid and just cut this crease a little bit. And now over the top of that, let's go back into the same palette, and then we're gonna use like a nice shimmery gold. That's cute. So next we're gonna do like a nice wing. Just a simple wing. Nothing extra, nothing, you know, no graphic liner here, nothing geometric. We're gonna be going in with the e.l.f. liquid liner in Jet Black. Okay, let's get onto the face. So I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Chocolate. I don't know how to say chocolate. I always say chocolate, like I'm from New York or something. Like, don't talk to me. Give me some coffee and call Vinny. Call him. We need some coffee. Pronto. That's my little New York accent. I should be like a voice actor or something. Let's go with the foundation. So I'm actually gonna go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. Let's bake. So we're gonna go with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're gonna bake, honey. I think my favorite part about like makeup is actually like the baking process. For some reason, I just like the matteness it gives me. So for contour, I would go in with the Revolution Glow bronzer. It's a bronzer, matte bronzer. But I'm actually just gonna use the eyeshadow. It's already a part of the look anyway. So I'm just gonna go in with that brown. Okay. So to wipe that excess powder off, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal True Match Blendable Powder in Deep Golden. So for the nose contour, I'm just gonna take a nice little brush here and use the same color, and then get that nose, honey. Then for blush, I'm actually gonna use the Nude Dude palette here. Why do I keep saying the Nude Dude palette like it's the bomb? Huda Beauty Nude palette, and use Love Elite for blush. It's not too pink, but it's not too orange. Like, it fits my skin tone like very well. So shout out to Huda. I see you, Huda. Now I'm just gonna go with a little bit of highlight just on the high points of my cheeks here, and on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. And now for the lips, my favorite part. I'm just gonna outline my lips first and foremost. And this is just a dark brown lip pencil. Just like so. And I'm just gonna use like an eyeshadow, like the brown one here next to the dark one, next to the dark one that I used for a contour. Let's see what that's saying. Yeah, I think that's cute. Yeah, we're gonna go with some gloss. I don't want to look too matte. But this is pretty though. We're going in with some gloss because this is a bit too matte for me. I'm actually gonna use the B makeup setting spray here. So this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? Please, 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 please let me know in the comments what you think about this look, because if you ask me, I think this look is stunning. Who's blowing me up? Who is blowing me up? So that's it for this video, you guys. Everything that I use will be listed in the description down below. Down there somewhere. You know, you made it to the end of this video, so you might as well subscribe. You might as well. I appreciate you. You appreciate me. We're a team. Just subscribe. Just hit the button. Just hit the button.
Oh, push the button!
Yeah, come on, push the button!
I'll see you in my next video. Bye.